What is up, guys? I'm back here again with another one, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Skew Step Index 5 up. This is one of the new instruments on Derif actually. So we are in another amazing new year, which is January, and today is the 4th of the month, which is on a Sunday that I am recording this video. However, I'm going to be analyzing this market, so let's get right into it. You know that what we are doing is always our top-down analysis, which we always start from the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, what are we saying? Definitely on the monthly time frame, I'm seeing two things which I am very happy with at the moment. I am seeing two things. The first is we have a chart pattern. The second, we have a candlestick pattern. Isn't that amazing? It is very, very amazing. It is very good, very delicious, very tantalicious. You will see the reason why I say so. Now, because it is an amazing thing for us as a trader. You know, being a swing trader is one of the best things because you can leave your trade and let it run maybe for a month, or let's say from days, weeks, or months till the market gets to where you set your TP to. And most of the time, it is always either stop loss or TP or take profits. So it's very amazing actually. So what am I saying? Before I digress, I saw two things. The first, which one should we tackle? The candlestick pattern. The candlestick pattern I see is that we have two candlestick patterns, and I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be highlighting them out. The first is the previous 2 months that we had before this January, which is what a bullish engulfing candle. However, that is indicating a bias of buying this market. However, before these two bullish candlestick that we had what we call a morning star. Can you see it? As I am highlighting it out for you right now, can you see it? This three candlestick, we have this bearish engulfing candle, very massive bearish engulfing candle. We have this bullish engulfing candle in between. However, this is not an indecision candle, it's just indicating a very strong bullish probability candle for us. However, the next month of it, which was October, we had this move and the price closed above the previous month. So that's just a morning star for us. And after that, we should be expecting at least 3 months after we should be having the move of a bias in the market, and we already have our first move of buy in the market. So this month, should we be expecting the continuation of this buy? Definitely, because we have our 2 previous months indicating a bullish engulfing candle as well for us. So we should be expecting the market to continue its move to the upside. However, we still have another confluence for us, which is the chart pattern. The chart pattern I see is a double bottom. Can you see it? We have our double bottom here. So these two things already indicate that this market is going to buy for me. There's no doubt about that. So let's go to our weekly time frame and not waste time. Now on our weekly time frame, having the bias of buy on the monthly time frame in our mind, we are seeing that this market has been creating lower lows and lower highs, because if we go to our lower time frame, we definitely see this very clearly: lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. And now we have a lower lows and lower highs. So we have our lower high here, but the market failed to come down to give us another lower low or equal lows. However, what did the market do? The market shot up. When it shot up, it broke this last lower low zone. So that is definitely telling us that this market has go against the trend at the moment, at least for now, because we are not sure that the market has created a bias for us to buy this market, because the only criteria that will get us to buy this market, to fulfill the criteria for us to buy this market, is if we see a reversal or a retracement down to this zone that was broken. Then we now see a confirmation of a candlestick pattern indicating that this market is going to go up. That is when we should know, or when we know that this market is definitely confirming a buy for us. So what do? We sit with our hands. Let's fold our hands. We sit back, relax, and just enjoy the chart moves, the price move. Let it do its thing. And when it's ready to come back to that zone, that's when we enter. And how do we know the zone that we are going to enter from? If we go to our daily time frame, we are going to be seeing places that we should be expecting this. And if you can see on the daily time frame, there's already a move. There's already a move at the moment on the daily time frame, because the market has went up, come back to retest this very small zone that I am seeing here, that I have highlighted for you at the moment. Can you see it? Exactly this zone. So since the market has come here, it came here and it retested it and also went up, giving us a bullish engulfing candle in the previous 2 days that we just used. That is telling you that this market is going to continue its uptrend. So where should we look for as opportunity to buy this market? As you can see on my 4-hour time frame, I already marked out a zone that I am expecting this market to come back to. However, if it doesn't, I'm going to just be watching the price to continue its move. So once I see another break of another structure, because this market is already creating its own higher lows and higher highs, so if peradventure it doesn't come back to retest this low at the moment, there's definitely going to be another one that is going to come back to retest in the future, and that's where I'm going to enter, just in case it doesn't come back to this 4-hour zone that I have marked out. And you know what we always look for. The things that I look for is my counter trend line break in line with what my candlestick confirmation. Sometimes I definitely use the Fibonacci retracement too. So if it's in line with my VIP zone, fifth zone, I'm going to be taking my buys. So what I'm seeing on this market at the moment for this month, and probably for next month as well, is a buy scenario. So I'm going to be buying this market. So that's just basically what I have for you guys. If you like what you see, kindly like it, share, subscribe if you find this video helpful, and don't forget to turn up the post notification bell so that you can be one of the people that is going to be able to see our next video when we post. Thank you for watching. Peace out and bye.